Hello, hello. Today I'm going to show you how I use TypeScript interfaces to create more full functions in ChatGPT. I'm going to just dive in and talk along and tell you what I mean. So create a function called get unpublished posts by user ID. Since it's called by user ID, I think that ChatGPT can infer that the input is going to be a user ID. Obviously, you can explicitly say that. I just kind of want to see if it will infer that. The output should be of type. So I've created this type that I'll paste in here. So we have an interface called post, iPost, should be lowercase, it has an ID, a user ID, title string, an array of tags, a publish date, let's just make that a moment type, and is deleted. I also have a service function called get posts by user ID. Please utilize that. See what it comes up with. So to create a function, call this, that returns post, blah, blah, blah. We need to filter based on the publish date and it's deleted, returns. Okay, so we can see in my custom instructions, I instruct ChatGPT to always use Lodash when possible. So we can see that it imported the filter function from Lodash and the moment type from moment. So assuming this function is provided, yes. So this is the actual function we need. Get unpublished posts by user ID. It did infer the user ID. That is a number. That's great. Returns a promise with an array of iPost. That's exactly what I want. So let's check what this does. Return get user posts, or sorry, get post by user ID dot then filter posts publish date dot is valid. Not exactly sure what that is. And then, I mean, that's probably a moment thing, or is deleted. So there's a few things I don't like about this that I'm going to get it to update. So this is actually really nice. You can show that, like, it got most of the way there, but not all the way, so we can instruct it further. Please use async await. So in my code base, we use async await instead of dot then. And also the service function should be post service dot get users, get posts by user ID. Also, please check if, how do I word this? Also, the publish date can either be null, indicating it's not yet published. It can also be a date, so we should check to make sure the date is in the future, indicating it's scheduled to be published, but not actually published. So I'd expect it to use moment dot is before or is after to check to see if the date is in the future. So it updated my publish date to moment or null. Okay, so here's the function now. Get unpublished post by user ID, async, nice. User ID number, correct output type. Const post equals await post service. This is exactly what I want. Return filter. Post is deleted, or no post.publish date, or post.publish date is after moment.now. So essentially saying it's in the future. That looks good to me. Yeah, so I hope you found this useful. In the past, I might have just said, create me a little one line of code that would like how to check if a moment date is in the future. But once I realized I could start providing it with types and things from my actual code base, I was able to create more full functions. And of course, always test your code, and you can, use ChatGPT to help you with that. Yeah, anyways, have a good day.